Filipino songs that are actually covers. These are like top 10 all-time favorites. I can't wait to check this out, man. Hopefully y'all can come and join me, bro. I can't wait to see it because a lot of you guys have actually linked it over to me and said this is actually a really nice video. Check it out. You could also maybe learn a little bit of your Tagalog listening to him speak in Tagalog. I was like, hey, sounds good to me because I am going to the Philippines this year. All I'm going to say is very soon because it's in the Burr months. So very soon. Make sure to subscribe to my Vision Life channel, and not just because I'm only gonna post like maybe 1 or 2 videos on my main, and a majority on my Vision Life channel. I will be posting a lot of vlogs there. I love you guys. I can't wait to check this out, man. Filipino songs that are actually covers. Wow. Let's see it together, please. Let's go.
Nothing's fine, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith.
Minsan, ang pagre-remake ng isang kanta ay nagbibigay ng mga positibong resulta.
I can't touch on torn. I'm all out of faith.
Such a good song.
This is how I feel.
Depende sa mga personalidad na kumanta o depende sa versyon ng mga kumanta.
Tuwing ang maulan at kapiling.
Regine. Lord.
Welcome sa Mark Chance TV. Ngayon ipag-uusapan natin ang mga sumikat na kanta dito sa Pilipinas na isa lamang palang cover.
Bamboo.
Pero
Dude.
bago tayo magsimula, shout out muna kina Elbert Taguok, Elmer French Elderos, Jadix
Hey,
TV,
shout out to him.
at Miss Edeline Chay Pagatpat. Harana by Parokya
Or are these
ni
gonna be
Edgar.
like 90s as well?
Puso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ikaw ay nagtataka.
Taong 1997
Beautiful.
nang ma-release ng Parokya ni Edgar ang single na pinamagatang Harana. Pumatok ito ng husto sa masa dahilan upang manalo ito ng International Viewers' Choice Award
Oh, wow.
sa MTV Southeast Asia.
Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin ako'y nababaliw, giliw.
What a beautiful
Pero
voice.
actually ang kantang
He got the
ito
anime
ay cover
haircut,
ng
you know, where they
Panapalaga
cover their eyes.
ng Parokya ni Edgar. Dahil ang unang umawi talaga nito ay si Tony Lambino.
Puso pa ba ang harana? Marahil ika'y nagtataka.
Naging
Oh my
bahagi ng
gosh.
kanyang album na First Note na na-release noong 1992.
Oh, wow.
Puno ang langit
These are
ng
90s.
bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Sa iyong tingin
Still beautiful though, oh my
ako'y
gosh.
nababaliw, giliw.
Si Tony
So
Lambino
amazing,
ay
bro,
bahagi
both.
ng singing group na Smoky Mountains na kinabibilangan din ng kilalang singer na si Geneva Cruz.
Ibubuhos ang buong puso ko sa isang munting harana para sa'yo.
How old was he too, bro?
Huwag ka nang umiyak
Be able to sing like
by
that, that's
Gary
amazing.
Valenciano.
Huwag ka nang umiyak sa mundong pabago-bago pag-ibig.
The
Ang
presence in
Provinciano
their
ay isa
voices,
sa mga
bro.
pinakatinatangkilik na palabas ng masa ngayon. Siyempre di makukumpleto ang bawat malulungkot na eksena kung hindi pinapatugtog ang kantang Huwag Ka Nang Umiyak ni Gary Valenciano.
Wala ka nang maintindihan.
Tinangkilik ang kantang ito. Mapabata man o matanda ay kabisado na ang mga lyrics nito.
Kung wala ka nang maintindihan. Kung wala ka nang
You got a Big Ben 10 watch, though.
makapitan.
Pero lingid sa kanilang kaalaman ay nauna na pala itong kinanta ng bandang Sugar Free noong year 2006.
Wow.
Isa sa mga
Bro, I
singles
love
ng kanilang
this, bro.
pangatlong studio album.
Because when you see the
na
covers as well, it's just like
pinamagatang
they're good, but like then the originals are also a different way, like beautiful. Amazing, man.
Ikaw Lang Ang Aking Mahal by Brownman Revival.
Ooh, is this like reggae?
Ang
A little
kantang
bit.
Ikaw Lang Ang Aking Mahal ay isa sa mga kantang lubang nagpasikat sa Brownman Revival. Ginawa nila itong reggae at pumotok ng husto sa
It is
masa.
reggae. I gotta react to reggae, yo. That's gonna be my next reaction soon. Like reggae in the Philippines, bro.
Pero ito pala ay nauna ng pinasikat ng VST and Company noong late 70s.
Itanong mo sa akin
Ah.
sinong aking mahal.
Oh, that's
Ang
so
liriko
beautiful.
ay sinulat ni Joey De Leon at ang tono naman ay nagmula kay Tito Soto at Spunky Rigon.
Oh my gosh. The whole old band
Sayang na
back
Sayang
together.
by Aegis.
Oh, she's insane. Such a powerful voice.
Year 2002 nang i-release ng band ng Aegis ang kantang Sayang na Sayang. Nakilala ito bilang isang napakahirap na kanta dahil na rin sa napakataas nitong tono.
Oh my. Every time, bro. That rock, like, you know how much that takes?
Bagay na
Bro.
bagay talaga sa genre ng bandang Aegis, kaya't di mo talaga maiisip na hindi pala silang original ito. Dekada 90 pa nang iparinig ito sa masa ng bandang
Oh, I
Prison.
want to hear this.
Isang
Amazing.
matinik na rock band na sumikat noong mid-90s, pinangungunahan ng
It's
kanilang
always the
vocalista
90s, bro. The
na
90s
si
have
Joseph
amazing
Sipcon,
songs.
na maaga ring pumanaw dahil sa kaso ng pamamaril.
What an amazing song, though. I really love that. It's so
How
catchy.
Did You Know by Gary Valenciano.
Remember so well the day that you came into my life.
Isa sa mga naging signature songs ni Gary Valenciano ay ang kantang How Did You Know. Dahil sa kantang ito ay nagawaran siya ng Best Performance by a Male
Oh, wow.
sa Awit Awards.
How did you know I needed someone like you in my life? That there was an empty space.
This calmness in his voice is so amazing,
Pero
bro.
ang kantang ito ay nauna na palang pinasikat
Oh.
ni Miss Chicky Pineda noong dekada 90.
So well, the day that you came into my life. I love you!
Ah,
Nanalo rin siya ng award dahil sa
So
kantang
awesome.
ito. Best Vocal Arrangement sa Awit Awards at nakatanggap rin ng Gold Record Award noong year 1994.
ah, dude. I love this passion, man. Like, my goodness.
Tuwing Umuulan by Eraserheads.
Eraserheads off. Wait, did he say Eraserheads? Bamboo in it, right? Is Bamboo in it? We'll see. I'm crazy.
Ang kantang ito ay lubang naging popular matapos itong gawa ng versyon ni Miss Regine Velasquez noong year 2000.
Minsan maulan, bumuhos ka, huwag nang tumigil pa.
Ngunit aware na ang lahat na ang kantang ito ay nauna ng kantahin ng Eraserheads at inakalang sila talaga ang original nito.
It is Eraserheads, yes. Bamboo isn't in this one. He's in the other rock band, I think, right?
Pero actually, ang version ng E-Heads ay cover din pagkat ang pinakauna talagang kumanta nito ay si Mr. Basil Valdez noong year 1994.
Buhos na ulan, aking mundo'y lunuring tuluyan.
Bro, all for the
Naging bahagi
90s,
ito
but they
ng
got all the
kanyang
classics.
album na pinamagatang Hindi Kita Malilimutan.
Sa mo, pag-ibig ko'y
What a spectacular song.
damdamin ko'y humihiyaw sa tuwa.
The composition and everything.
Tuwing umuulan.
Oh, man.
Doobie-Doo by Kamikaze.
Doobie-doo!
Kapag nag-iisan kasama ang gitara, basan dumarating ang kanta. Awiting maaari rin kung may kasama, tabol mo ay butas na lata.
Oh my
Year
gosh!
2006 na maging bahagi ng album na Kami Na Pumuna ang kantang Doobie-Doo ng Kamikaze. Lubang sumikat ito, lalong-lalo na sa mga taong mahilig sa hardcore punk.
Heto na! Heto na!
He hit the split!
Heto na! Doob-dooby-doo, bidoob-bidoo, doob-dooby-doo, bidoob-bidoo, doob-dooby-doo, bidoob-bidoo.
Pero actually, ito pala isa sa mga kanta ng Apo Hiking Society.
They
na
made it a
na-release
rock.
noong year
Hold on, it wasn't a
1980.
rock before? It wasn't. It was almost like reggae style a little bit. Yo, are those like Filipino covered
Ang version ng
like
Apo ay may
style jackets, bro? I need one of those. These look clean. Red, white, blue.
Ang version ng Apo ay may mala acoustic folk na tugtugan, malayong malayo sa version ng Kamikaze.
Ah, dude, it's so awesome to see this kind of stuff. They come back, they do it, bro.
Ito ay isa sa mga singles ng kanilang
See, look at
album
that, that's
na
awesome.
10 Years Together.
Wow. That's incredible.
Stay by Daryl Ong.
I want you to stay, never go away from me. Stay forever.
Ang kantang Stay ni Daryl Ong ay lubang nag-hit matapos itong gamitin bilang soundtrack sa nooy teleserye na On the Wings of Love.
Why did you have to leave me when you said that love would come?
Ah, Daryl Ong is so good though, man.
Marami ang
Let's see the
nahook sa
original.
kantang ito dahil na rin sa napakagaling na boses ni Daryl Ong. Pero actually, ito rin ay cover lang pala talaga. Ang original na kumanta nito ay si Carol Banawa.
I want you to stay, never go away.
Oh, her voice. She has like that really high pitch. Oh my god, so
Stay
good.
forever.
Ito ay
Wow.
na-release noong year 2001 at naging
I was
bahagi
born
ng
that year,
album
bro.
na pinamagatang Transition.
Why did you have to leave me when you said that dreaming was as good
Wow.
as reality?
Her high pitched voice is perfect, bro.
Tatsulok by Bamboo.
Hey!
Tutok sa ulo mo, toto'y tumalong ka, tumaba kung kailangan, at baka tamaan pa ng balang ligaw.
Isa sa mga kantang nag-angat ng husto sa bandang Bamboo noong 2007 ay ang kantang Tatsulok.
Oh!
Para lang sa mayaman, habang may tatsulok, wag sila
Wow, Bamboo was a performer, man.
matatapos yung mundo.
Kantang lumalarawan
I
sa
love his
realidad
voice,
pero
man.
ang masterpiece pala na ito ay di talaga original na nagmula sa bandang Bamboo sapagkat ang original talaga ng umawit nito ay ang bandang tinawag na Buklod.
Oh.
Toto'y bilisan mo ang takbo. Ilaga ng mga bombang nakatutok sa ulo mo.
Sila ay
Wow.
sumikat noong 90s at ang kantang Tatsulok ay na-release noong year 1997.
Too many classics in the 1990s.
Habang may tatsulok at sila ang nasa tuktok.
Oh, I love that harmony.
Hindi matatapos itong gulo.
It fits it so well.
Luha by Aegis.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin.
Oh, listen to the raspiness in her voice.
Ikaw ay yakapin, naglalaho sa amin.
Ang kantang
I actually wanna
Luha
hear the
ay isa
original.
na sa mga naging signature song ng bandang Aegis. Napaka-well-known ng kanta ito sa Pilipinas at halos lahat ng Pinoy ay pamilyar dito.
Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan.
Oh.
Pagdating ko sa'yo, ngayon ay naglalakad.
That's
Pero
incredible.
manggilan-ngilan lang siguro ang
Let's see it.
nakakaalam na ang kantang ito pala ng Aegis ay cover lamang dahil ang original na kumanta pala talaga neto ay ang bandang Sakada.
Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin.
Oh,
Ngunit nang ikaw ay
beautiful.
yakapin, naglalaho sa dilim.
Sila ay sumikat
Oh my
noong 80s at ang kantang Luha ay kanilang na-release noong year 1989.
Hindi ko na kailangan,
Had the raspiness too.
umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin
This song is amazing.
ko sa'yo, ngayon
From
ay
cover and original.
naglaho na.
Wow.
Sinulat ni Celso Abinoha at inawit rin ng kanyang bukalistang kapatid na si Mirna Abinoha.
Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang manalamin.
Come on, dude.
Nasasaktan damdamin.
Honestly, just phenomenal. I love looking at that, man. Really seeing the covers and then seeing the originals. You could see how sometimes in the covers they do play it differently, right? They either take it as like from a jazz song or a relaxed song and make it into a rock song or make it into something. Or sometimes they just keep its originality and just, you know, just cover it. And to me, I think both are beautiful, bro. I still think it's just amazing the way that they can either transform the song or just sing it and kind of do it their own style. Like, all of these ways are so incredible, and I love hearing these. These are super beautiful. And honestly, thank you guys for linking this over to me, and thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hey, if you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, subscribe. If you want more, let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, till next time, guys.